First up, District 4. Then I say District 5. All units respond in colors advising there is a fire in Crest Hall. It's going to be a two-story commercial structure. Both flames and smoke are visible.
I got smoke going. I'm just going to work in fire time.
I'm Davis Maddox with the Moncure Fire Department. Today we're going to be going over our fast attack line, which is our front bumper load here on Engine 8. If you'll come over and take a look, you'll see that what we have here is 100 feet of 1 3/4. On the end of it, we've got a 150 gallons per minute nozzle at 50 psi at the tip. This load consists of a flat load and a double donut roll. We've rolled this hose in a specific way here so it feeds off the back of the roll. This avoids a whole lot of friction coming over here on the edge of the box. Right here, you see you've got your 50-foot coupling. When you come to deploy this load, it's extremely easy. Simply come up, grab your 50-foot coupling, grab your nozzle, and we're going to go ahead and pull it. So as you can see, this hose deploys in an extremely neat fashion. We've got a really nice C there. This hose load is primarily going to be used for things like car fires, dumpster fires, trash fires, things of that nature. So you get there, you've got 50 feet of working hose, and you've got 50 feet to your engine. Okay, so now we've extinguished our fire, we're ready to pack our hose load back. As you can see right now, if you're facing the truck, your nozzle is going to be in your left hand, and your coupling is going to be in your right. You need to flip that over. So we need to put the nozzle in our right hand. Walk down our hose and lay it neatly side by side for our donut roll. Now we're going to go ahead. We want it as tight as possible. One thing you may have to do is you may have to open your nozzle to let your air out while you're rolling the hose. Now that we've got our donut roll completed, we're going to flip it back over. This is a crucial step, again, to ensure that your hose feeds over the back of the donut roll so we reduce friction in the hose bed. We're going to place our hose load right here with our nozzle hanging over the front. Again, this is going to go on the left-hand side of the hose bed. We're going to keep our coupling here, pull it right up over the front so it'll stay there, and we're going to start our flat load. It's really important that before we start our flat load on the side, we make a few passes in the back that prevents this donut roll from rolling around. So now that you've got a few quick passes in the back, you're going to make a turn right here. You're going to lay all the way front to back. Alright, so now that we're at the end, we've got two more things we need to do. First, we're going to connect our two sticks of hose here. This coupling is going to go right here on top. Really easy access when you come up to deploy your line. And second, you do two things. Flip your nozzle around so the bail's on top. And that pocket that we left right there behind our donut roll is right where that is going to sit, nice and secure, well protected. That's the Fast Attack line on the front bumper of Moncure Engine 8.